Greetings, Williams, Philippines. It's about 11:30 Sunday, June 8th, 2025. Boy, hope everybody's enjoyed their weekend. It should be ending for a few folks at this point. Starting in on your work week. Monday. Oh yeah, my Wednesday. Thought I'd pulled some beef ribs out. Yep. Turns out it was beef ribeye. I'm suffering. Two ribeyes. Not going to be able to eat both of them at the same time, but I am cooking both of them with some peas and carrots, fresh, frozen. So, well, not fresh, but frozen. Yeah. Anyway, I'm going to suffer here. Good food. I love it. I'm going to miss actually that meat company. Eads Meat Market is a local uh, meat market that does, or butcher that does, well, they have people bring in cows and have them butcher personal. They also buy cows from local places and have them butchered and sell them. And yeah, one of the local people who comes in and sells cows does so through there. And yeah, grass fed, no grain stuff. This is real good, high quality beef. Uh, I will have to say, I'm going to miss Eads Meat Market. Ed's Meat Market, whichever you want to call it. Damn good beef. I've never had a piece of meat that I didn't like that come from that meat market. Yeah. And when I can, that's where I used to buy my, you know, large chunks of beef, a quarter or a half at a time. I love that place. Didn't do very many halves, but I did a few quarters from them. Makes it a lot cheaper to buy good beef when you do a chunk of it at a time. Quarter of a cow at a time is good stuff. Better price. Whole cow's better, but I don't have that much. It's just me. Yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna have to break back into my chest freezer because I'm pretty much out of meat in my freezer. My refrigerator's freezer. So I gotta go break into the, yeah. And I've got a lot of meat. Probably gonna end up giving some to the girls at work. That's a good thing. It will go to folks that could use it and be good. Uh, yeah, it's getting closer. Need to talk to my real estate agent and find out what's up. Hopefully, we can get something done here in the next, well, by the end of the month. Be nice. Sooner the better, as far as I'm concerned. Anyway, yeah, got a bit of a packing done this morning. Ran across one of my shirts. Don't get me wrong, I put the Paladura Dons on the credit card because I couldn't find the Wildcats. But I found my t shirt. Don't wear it that often, but it's a good t shirt. It's actually going over to the Philippines with me. So, yeah, probably should go pick up a couple more. I don't know. Kind of partial to this area. You know, I've been in and out of Amarillo my entire life. Dad was Air Force and I was Navy, and well, this was my anchor address on my mom's side of the family. So, and River Road School District is, just north of Amarillo, and was, yeah, that was where if I'd have stayed here and gone to high school, I'd have been at this school. But I did go through the elementary and, yeah, middle school bits and pieces. One of the hazards. But yeah, I can honestly say I will miss Amarillo. I did. It's home. It's always going to be home. It's always have here as my anchor address, and you know, always have my Aunt Cat's place to list as home. It's always been home. Yeah. But to uproot and head over there is what I'm doing. I'm liking this idea. Go and hit a new place. My wandering hasn't been wandering for a while, and you know, I need to travel some more, see things again. So yeah, I'm definitely ready to get going. I just got more stuff than I really thought I did have. Boy, I hadn't realized I had this much stuff. Boy, it's amazing what you can collect in 19 years. So yeah. Anyway, I hope everybody's have a blessed one. Uh, I know I've been blessed up here. I stopped doing stupid stuff and started growing up, started putting my life back together and become the better me. And that was a good thing. I needed it. And because of it, I've become a better person and, well, I get to retire, go fishing, and enjoy life. And that's a good thing. Uh, anyway, I hope you've had a good weekend. Lots of food, lots of friends, and lots of family. Hit the like, comment, and subscribe. Do what you want to do. It's your life, and I thoroughly believe you get to make the choices that make you who you are. Choose wisely. And let me tell you, the consequences to bad choices can be real rough. The consequences to good choices can be real rough. They just usually are better for you than the bad ones. But hey, God's the greatest gift, choice. The nightmare is the consequence that comes with it. So yeah. Anyway, I'm Williams, Philippines. Come along for the insanity. It's about to get a lot more fun. Uh, Everything's more fun in the Philippines. Woo! I'm ready to go. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the go button, whatever. More food, friends and family, and again, more food, and I'm about to go enjoy some more food. Ribeye steaks. Woo! Anyway, I'm fishing. Fish is out.